channel. So today I'll be working on a green, military green Datsun truck, as you guys already know in the title. So I am going to do a polish and then a bit of cleaning, claying and decontamination on the paint, just to get all the gunk and the dirt out of the paint. Then I'm going to polish it to remove the paint shop finishing, because as you guys know, paint shop finishing is quite rough. So the car is actually the same color of my shirt, so it's quite funny. So as usual, remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel, press on the bell button for post notifications, and I'll show you guys everything in a cinematic video, and I'll see you guys at the end.
Is it too good to be true? I want this so much, but don't know if I can trust you. My mind's racing fast, trying to find the red flags I'm used to. All these green lights, are they coming too soon? Caught between red and the green, and you, I'm stuck in the blue. Value how I'm feeling. How do you have so much time? Been searching for a reason for why you'd love a chip design. Aren't you listening to me now? Screamed all my secrets, why don't you leave then? Ooh. Is it too good to be true? I want this so much, but don't know if I can trust you. My mind's racing fast, trying to find the red flags I'm used to. All these green lights, are they coming too soon? Caught between red and the green, and you, I'm stuck in the blue. Tell me that I owe you. Don't you need to refuel? The safety when I hold you, you know exactly what to do. Did you fall out of the heavens or crawl up from under? I can't help but wonder. Ooh, oh, is it too good to be true? So much, but don't know if I can trust you. My mind's racing fast, trying to find the red flags I'm used to. All these green lights, are they coming too soon? Caught between red and the green, and you, I'm stuck in the blue.
guys, so I have completed the polishing on the Datsun pickup truck. Overall I am quite satisfied with the results because I mean, given the budget to work with, it's not really large, so I basically did a cutting and then follow it up with a finishing. It's quite weird, the paint, the very deep swirls. When I removed it on the cutting stage, it actually revealed some really fine marring, which I follow up with a layer of finishing polish. And because of the limited budget, I actually stopped there. It could be better given more time and budget, but I have to work within my client's budget, so that's it. So I mean, the car is pretty shiny, pretty glossy. You can really see the definitions in the lines in the car, and I mean, overall it's not too bad, I would say, given the condition to begin with. So as usual, remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, press on the bell button for post notifications, and I'll see you guys at the next video.